Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through installing a smart thermostat. Not the full book, just the teaser version. 30 minutes if your house has the right wire, a little longer if it doesn't. And I'll tell you exactly which case you're in. Here's the scene. You bought a Nest or an Ecobee. You want remote control, the learning schedule, the energy reports. You pop the old thermostat off the wall and stare at 5 thin, color-coded wires. Good news, this is low voltage work. 24 volts, not 120. You're not going to get hurt. The question is whether it takes you half an hour or half a day. Before you start, confirm the scope. Residential thermostat wiring is standard. R is red, power from the furnace transformer. W is white, heat call. Y is yellow, cooling. G is green, fan. And C is the common wire, usually blue or black. Every smart thermostat needs a constant power feed from that C wire, and most homes built before 2010 do not have one. Pull the old thermostat off the wall, look at the wall plate. If a wire is on the C terminal, you're in the 30-minute camp. If not, you've got 3 options. 1. Install a power extender kit at the furnace, which repurposes an unused wire. 2. Fish a new 5-conductor thermostat cable. 3. Buy a thermostat that works without a C. Here's what the job actually looks like. You kill the furnace breaker. Before you disconnect a single wire, you label each one with masking tape and a Sharpie R, W, Y, G, C. Take a photo too. This is the step that saves you. If you need a power extender, you go to the furnace first. The little white box wires into the low voltage terminals on the control board. Back at the wall, you level the new base plate, feed the wires through, and screw it in. You land each wire on its matching labeled terminal. You snap the thermostat head onto the base, flip the furnace breaker back on, and it boots up. Then the app. Scan the QR code, join your Wi-Fi, set your schedule, and test heat, cool, and fan one at a time. If you've got remote sensors, you place them away from vents and direct sun in the rooms you actually occupy. The mistakes that double this job, skipping the wire labels and guessing later, forgetting the furnace breaker and shorting the transformer, connecting to 5 GHz Wi-Fi when the thermostat is 2.4 only, and placing the thermostat on a wall with a heat vent blowing on it. One safety stop. If the wires behind your old thermostat are thick and there are only 2 of them, that's a line voltage setup, 120 or 240 volts. That is a different installation entirely. Do not proceed with a standard smart thermostat. For the full step-by-step, the C-wire diagnosis, the power extender install, and the compatibility check for heat pumps, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.